Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do, of course, is DHgate.com. You know what? So first thing I'm going to show you is how to find a basketball jersey. I'm going to type in LeBron jersey and look what pops up. Many different things, you know what? But then what I do, I like to look for the reviews, because the pictures and these sellers could be so fake. So I always go to try to find a seller with a lot of reviews on his product. Then I actually try to look for the reviews. So here we go, I found one with 130 reviews. I'm just gonna do a little scroll until I see the pictures. Okay. Okay, there we go, there's pictures. Now, you can just see, just judging by these pictures, that it is a real seller and all this good stuff. And then I click on it, see the nice tags, you know, I'm a big tag guy, I can see the stitching. So I'm really happy that I see that. And this is definitely a seller in which I'd buy from. I think you can buy from too. So once after you do that, you see the reviews like, oh, good stuff. And that's basically what you do for the jersey. And another review thing is gonna be for like everyone, like everything you're gonna buy. I'm just gonna show you different keywords after this, just so you can see like what else to like look up. Sizing, however, for jerseys is very interesting. So I always look at the size chart because that's usually true to the seller in the description. But if not, I always look at reviews once again just to make sure it all adds up. Supreme is pretty easy. I like to just type in box logo, no big deal. And you might see something that come up, like just a plain old box. And then you look at the reviews and truly it does have the Supreme logo. See, sellers do this so they don't get their posts taken down for counterfeit products. I mean, I do air quotes, but they you know, I'm not gonna say anything illegal, disclaimer. I don't endorse this illegal stuff. But you type in box logo, find something with a nice box, look at the reviews, look at the sizing. Like I said, cannot stress this enough, look at the review pictures. But yeah, so don't type in Supreme, type in box logo, then from there you can always look at that seller's other products, and typically you'll find some good stuff. Supreme, Gucci, Babe, Off-White, all that stuff from similar sellers. So I just always type in box logo. If you're looking for something nice for the missus, anniversary, Christmas, trying to get a little something, get her a nice Tiffany bracelet. I'm not telling you to get it. I'm just saying, say you want a Tiffany bracelet, which is a very unique and expensive bracelet woman like. You type in Tiffany 925 on DHgate and it'll come up. Now, the good thing about these is, I don't know if they're actually stainless steel, but they do have a stainless steel finish. So the only person who's going to know it's fake is if you go to your local jeweler. So don't do that. Like I said, look at your reviews and all that good stuff. Figure out the best seller for you. But that's what I do. Alright guys, now we've all looked at all this stuff. I showed you how to get a jersey, LeBron James example. I showed you how to find Supreme and other products based off of that Supreme search, and I also showed you how to find the Tiffany & Company necklace / bracelet type item. Now use these tips and tricks to find stuff on DHgate. Remember, when looking for Hypebeast stuff, just always don't type in like the actual word. For some products, you have to mess around and say like Supreme example was a box logo is a very like common name for Supreme items with the box logo, so just type in box logo, stuff like that. For Tiffany, if you type in Tiffany & Company by itself, nothing will come up. That's why you gotta type in just Tiffany 925 and you'll get all this vast array of things. So I really hope you guys like this video. I'm coming out with content every week. Get me to 100 subscribers and I'll be giving away a free LeBron James jersey, of course purchased from DHgate. But give me to those subscribers and it will happen. I just want to thank you guys all for watching. Drop a like or subscribe, perhaps, you know, you probably won't. But I still rock with you, so thank you.